What if I told you that even a tiny backyard, balcony, or patio could grow high-value fruits like lemon, papaya, fig, and pomegranate? You don't need acres of land or years of waiting. With the right varieties, proper soil, and simple care, a small garden can give you big, profitable harvests, fresh fruit for your home or extra income. In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to grow these 4 amazing fruits in small spaces and get the maximum yield with minimum effort. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, this is your go-to spot for simple, practical gardening that works for beginners and small space gardeners. Today, we're diving into profitable fruit gardening in small spaces. We'll focus on 4 incredible fruits: lemon versatile, high demand, and long-lasting papaya, fast-growing and nutrient-packed fig compact, easy to manage, and delicious pomegranate, high-value fruit that grows well in containers by the end of this video. You'll know exactly which varieties thrive in small gardens, how to plant and care for them for maximum yield, tricks to save space, reduce maintenance, and get fruit faster, whether you want fresh fruits at home or are looking to start a small profitable fruit venture. This guide will give you everything you need to get started. 1 lemon. High demand and easy to grow lemons are one of the most versatile and profitable fruits you can grow in a small garden. They are compact, evergreen, and productive, making them perfect for containers, patios, and small backyards. Varieties like Mayer and Eureka are ideal for small space gardeners because they produce fruit year-round, remain relatively compact, and require minimal pruning. The key to a productive lemon tree starts with sunlight and soil. Plant your tree in a sunny spot with at least 6-8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Lemons thrive in well-draining, slightly acidic soil enriched with compost. For container gardening, select a 12-18-inch deep pot with proper drainage to avoid root rot. Water consistently, especially during the growing season, but avoid waterlogging. Feed your lemon tree with organic fertilizers or citrus-specific nutrients every 4-6 weeks to ensure strong growth and maximum fruiting. Regular pruning not only keeps the tree manageable, but also stimulates more flowering and fruit production. Lemons are highly profitable. Even a single potted tree can produce dozens of fruits per year. Their uses are almost endless: cooking, baking, beverages, and home remedies, which means homegrown lemons can be a source of fresh produce and income. For the best results, remove flowers or small fruits during extreme heat or frost and apply mulch to retain moisture. With careful care, even a small lemon tree in a container or patio can provide continuous harvests, making lemons one of the best choices for small space, profitable fruit gardening. 2 papaya. Fast-growing and nutritious papayas are tropical, fast-growing fruits that produce high-value, nutrient-rich fruit. They are ideal for small spaces if you choose dwarf or compact varieties, which can thrive in containers or raised beds. One of the major advantages of papaya is that it starts producing fruit within 6-12 months, much faster than traditional fruit trees, making it a great choice for gardeners seeking quick returns. Choose a sunny, warm spot with at least 6 hours of sunlight daily. Papayas need well-draining soil enriched with compost to support rapid growth and fruit development. For container planting, mix garden soil, compost, and sand to improve drainage and fertility. Ensure consistent watering, but avoid waterlogging as papaya roots are sensitive to standing water. Fertilization is important for fruiting. Apply a high-potassium fertilizer monthly to promote flowering and healthy fruit set. Monitor pollination and prune weak branches to maximize productivity. Papayas are generally low maintenance, but attention to sunlight, watering, and nutrient supply ensures continuous fruit production. Papayas are profitable because they are in high demand for fresh consumption, smoothies, and juices. A few dwarf plants in containers can provide enough fruit for home use and small-scale sales. Their rapid growth, coupled with high nutritional value, vitamins A, C, and digestive enzymes, makes them a top choice for small-space profitable fruit gardening. With proper care, dwarf papayas can thrive in containers, balconies, or backyards, producing sweet, juicy fruit year-round. They offer fast-growing returns, low maintenance, and high demand, making them an excellent addition to any small garden. 3 Fig Compact. Sweet and easy to grow figs are one of the best fruits for small space gardening because they are naturally compact, slow growing, and highly productive. Popular varieties like Brown Turkey and Celeste are perfect for containers, patios, or small backyards. They produce sweet, nutrient-rich fruit with minimal effort, making them ideal for home gardeners and small space entrepreneurs. Figs thrive in full sun and well-draining soil. For containers, select a pot at least 15-20 inches deep and mix in compost to improve fertility. Water consistently, but allow the soil to dry slightly between watering cycles. Tolerate short periods of drought, but overwatering can harm roots and reduce fruit quality. Fertilization should be light and balanced. Overfeeding can lead to lush foliage but fewer fruits. Prune annually to maintain a manageable size and stimulate more flowering and fruiting. Figs produce 2 crops per year in warm climates, a smaller spring crop and a larger summer crop. One of the biggest advantages of figs in small gardens is their predictable, high yield in a limited area. Even a single container fig tree can produce dozens of fruits per season. They are also versatile in the kitchen, eaten fresh, dried, or used in jams and desserts, increasing their market and home value. For urban gardeners or those with limited space, figs are low maintenance yet highly rewarding. With proper sunlight, soil, and pruning, figs can thrive for years in pots, making them an excellent small space profitable fruit. By choosing compact varieties and following simple care routines, you can enjoy sweet, fresh figs at home without needing a large garden. 4 Pomegranate. High-value and long-lasting fruit pomegranates are hardy, high-value fruits that grow well in small gardens or containers, offering both beauty and profitability. Varieties like wonderful or dwarf cultivars are ideal for patios, small backyards, or balcony setups, producing nutrient-rich, juicy seeds with high demand for fresh fruit juice and cooking. Plant pomegranates in full sun with at least 6-8 hours of light daily and in well-draining soil. Containers should be 18-24 inches deep or use raised beds to maximize space efficiency. Pomegranates are drought-tolerant once established, making them low-maintenance yet highly productive. Water young plants consistently to promote strong root development and reduce watering as they mature. Fertilize in early spring with a balanced organic fertilizer to encourage flowering and fruiting. Regular pruning maintains a manageable shape, prevents overcrowding, and stimulates better fruit yield, which is essential in small gardens. Pomegranates are highly profitable because of their market value and versatility. Their seeds are used in fresh eating, cooking, and juicing, while the fruit stores well, allowing you to harvest and sell over time. Even a few dwarf plants can provide significant yields in limited space. Small space gardeners love pomegranates for their combination of beauty, productivity, and high return on investment. With minimal space and proper care, sunlight, water, soil, and pruning, pomegranates thrive, producing continuous, high-quality fruit. They are perfect for home use, gifting, or small-scale selling, making them a top choice for gardeners who want profitable, space-efficient fruit.